Howdy, 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 folks. Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. I hope everybody had a good day. Slow day in the markets. We had, basically a consolidation day. When you're this far extended from, your original breakout, some type of pullback or consolidation is, not only necessary but healthy, as you just can't keep going up straight. The market's like a rubber band, and the farther you stretch it, the more violent the snapback becomes. And so this type of day relieves pressure in the markets and starts to work off that overbought condition that triggered a few days ago or a couple days ago. So my thinking is that we'll probably kind of chop around for the next couple days as we build up some steam. In my personal opinion, as long as we can hold above kind of this 1425 zone with this rising 20-day moving average, that to me is in bullish territory. So, we could still drop a little bit, and that won't get me that scared or, freaked out. But if we start to crack this original breakout line, that's when I'll really look at the structure of the market and my holdings and see if I've got to change my game plan. But we're just not there yet. Let's take a look at the watch list because there's still a lot of stocks setting up. I got ABFS. This one, we had a little bit of a pop here, and we're starting to flag out a little bit. Now, I'm going to look at this in a couple ways. If the market starts to kind of boost back down, then, we could take this as a short and kind of ride it back to lows. Because in essence, this is a type of bear flag. But if the market's running, we could have this almost like a bull flag too. And you could see it pop, straight to $9. We've seen these bottom patterns been really playing out. And you know what? This could be another one. RSH, I've been watching this one for a while. You're starting to see almost like an inverse head and shoulders type of setup here. My one worry is that, we've got the rising or the declining 50-day moving average right on top of it. So it gives us a lot of resistance with only 20 cents of upside. But I definitely think this is a stock that we need to watch because there's very few of these type of stocks left. And what we're finding is that traders are running them up. And you can see these type of moves, especially the ones with big short positions, run 20, 30, 40% just in one day. So keep this on your list. I really like this one. LPR. This is a crap company, but just a hot chart. I mean, it's starting to come out of range. This will definitely, that kind of that 150 area is an area of interest, but this one's got a lot of room to run. We could see a 180 tap on this thing in no time. SWHC. So we had the nice earnings gap, and then it's just been consolidating here for the last 5 days. Look for a push over 11. As you can see, that's been acting as resistance for a potential day trade. GMCR still on the watch list. I tried to trigger this thing today for a run as it's holding right above that $30 breakout. It didn't go today, and it's fading. So we can do a couple things with this. If it breaks below that's kind of like this $30, 50-cent range, we could short this thing down to the 20-day moving average. If it breaks out of the flag on strength, we can buy it and play it for another type of trade. FBE, just looking for a break over highs. It's been just kind of chilling here near, it needs about 509. APP, this one could really go. We'll have to watch this one really closely, but we're flagging here. There's been no give back. I think that this one's got some potential. LEI, actually, this was from yesterday. Take this off the list, guys. Face, just going sideways here. Look for a move over 5. WFR, looking for a move over the 200-day moving average. DD, we kind of keep testing this 50-day moving average. Is holding right above. It did close above today, but I think that this one, the more times it kind of drags along this, the more likely it's going to break. So I got this on watch for a short. ZLC is going to need about 610. TSYS, put this on list of break over today's high. It failed today, but looks pretty good. MVIS, just flag breakout right there. Meat, take this off your list. That's from yesterday. NTE, I got $11 trigger. SSH, still flagging here. As long as it holds above 8, I like this one. And then UBNT, this one looks